Okay, let's go through the Milano Monza Motor Show for some more time, because here we have a car that is straight out of Norse mythology. Odin, Thor, all of the Asgardians had straight and direct influence on the magic and the design of this car, because on this car we have literally some magic going on. Here we are with the Aston Martin Valkyrie. This car is a Formula One car designed for the street, and the engine makes 924 Newton meters of torque, and it revs up, guys, just wait for the number, up to 11,100 RPMs, and the power is transmitted by a 7-speed dog box. This is a Formula One car designed for street. And hear me out. You see all of these front diffusers and all of these side skirts. These are the most extreme designs I've ever seen on a car. This car is literally magic. And let me go through some fantastic details that are very interesting to hear about. Do you see all of these black coatings in the back? This is a very special coating called Cerakote coating, and you can find this application on cruise missiles. This coating application is here because the temperature that is coming out of the exhaust system and the temperature of the whole compartment over there goes up to 700 degrees, and it can melt all the carbon fiber parts that are used in the back of this car. So they had to use this coating to keep the parts intact together. And do you see this little part being attached underneath the exhaust? It's because to keep the heat away from the plate, because the metal plates get melted by the heat distributed by the exhaust part. This is crazy. And guys, here in the back you can literally crawl through this air vent down here, and you can see some Formula One technology implemented here. You can see that wing shape on the left side to help the airflow, and that flap when the brakes, when you use the brakes, oh my god, they flip down to get hold of the dirty air coming out. This car is phenomenal. Now you see why I say this car is designed by the Odin himself and is named Valkyrie. Look at that side view camera. It's really interesting that we are not using mirrors anymore, and I love it because they are super practical, these cameras. Here you can see the headlight. The headlight is made out of printed plastic and magnesium to save weight. And the fun fact about the lights on this car is that all of the light components on this car, all of them, weigh as much as only one single headlight unit on Aston Martin Vantage. How crazy is that? And you can see this badge over here. This is the thinnest badge ever implemented on a car in human history. This badge is 43% thinner than human hair. And they keep this badge inside the fridge because before they put it on the car, to keep the shape intact together, because this badge is not plastic or a sticker, it's a metal made 43% thinner than human hair. This car is fantastic. It has a 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12. It makes 1139 horsepower. And God, this is crazy. This car is. And you can see the wiper, front screen wiper. They tested this special wiper in a wind tunnel designed for high-speed trains, because on 200 miles per hour they had to test it that the system really works. So they tested it in the wind tunnel of high-speed trains, and they splashed water onto this windscreen to make sure it really works. And the manufacturer of this windscreen wiper is the manufacturer of the space shuttles. God damn. Okay, and that's it with the Aston Martin Valkyrie. I hope you enjoyed this legend and engineering breakthrough of car industry, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye for now.